When the power goes out, most of us expect it to come back on within a few hours. We all want it to come back on immediately, but sometimes major storms cause widespread outages that can last longer than expected. When severe weather strikes, Austin Energy is ready and prepared to restore service as quickly and safely as possible, at all hours of the day and night. When we know a storm is coming, we mobilize crews and make sure we have them in place once the bad weather hits. Then we follow a specific restoration plan based on our experience and industry best practices tailored to our service area. Let's take a closer look. We start by checking our high voltage transmission towers and lines for damage. Usually this equipment is unaffected by storms. From there, we repair substation equipment. Substations receive high voltage power from transmission lines and then disperse that power at a lower voltage to distribution lines. Next, we repair distribution lines and then secondary lines that serve our neighborhoods. These lines deliver power to transformers that are either mounted on poles or placed on pads for underground service. Our first priority is to restore power to the largest number of customers. Outages affecting a smaller number of customers may require specialized crews and equipment and more time to repair. Technology also helps us work faster and more efficiently. Fault detectors on power lines pinpoint where damage has occurred before we send out work crews. Switches give us the ability to shorten outages by quickly rerouting power. Our crews are also able to report damage in real time and estimate when power will be restored. As work progresses, estimated times of restoration may be updated to reflect a more accurate timetable. As you can see, restoring power is a big job and involves much more than simply flipping a switch or removing a tree from a damaged line. We're constantly evaluating our responses and identifying changes we can make to be even more prepared for the next storm. Customers can check for outage updates through our outage map at outagemap.austinenergy.com. Austin Energy is proud to power through severe weather until the lights are back on for all of our customers.